Many people are starting to pay more attention to the materials used in their kitchen appliances, especially when it comes to air fryers. Some coatings can release unwanted chemicals when heated, and that's something worth avoiding. I have listed the best non-toxic air fryers that are free from harmful coatings and still give you great results. These are safe options for anyone who wants to cook healthier meals without worrying about what's going into their food. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Chefman Turbo Fry. This is the best affordable dual-basket air fryer that doesn't skimp on features. With a 9-quart capacity split between 2 baskets, it lets you cook 2 foods in 2 ways simultaneously, making it a practical choice for families or small gatherings. The standout feature here is Sync Finish, which allows both baskets to complete cooking at the same time, even if they started with different settings. It also includes audio and visual shake reminders, ensuring food comes out evenly cooked and crispy. The unit features Stay Cool handles, auto shut-off, overheat protection, and comes CTL approved for safety. Cleaning is stress-free with non-stick interiors and dishwasher-safe baskets, and it even comes with bonus basket liners. Whether you're air frying snacks or making full meals, this promotes healthy cooking with little to no oil and minimal cleanup. If you're after a cost-effective, non-toxic, and functional dual-basket air fryer, this is a fantastic entry-level choice. Number 4. COSORI 11-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. This air fryer oven is the best choice for those who want multifunctionality with a modern design. With 11 cooking functions, including air fry, pizza, rotisserie, toast, proof, and bake, this is more than just an air fryer. Its 13-quart capacity is ideal for families and can cook multiple items using the 2-level rack system. The powerful 360 degrees hot air circulation helps reduce oil usage by up to 85%, making meals healthier without losing flavor or crispiness. It also comes with a 6-piece accessory kit, including a rotisserie basket and forks, which expands what you can make even further. Thanks to its compact design and dual heating elements, it fits easily on most countertops while cooking 40% faster than traditional ovens. It also features automatic shutoff and dishwasher-safe parts, making it convenient and safe to use daily. For users looking for a versatile countertop air fryer oven that supports healthy cooking with advanced features, the COSORI is a strong, non-toxic pick. Number 3. Quisinert Air Fryer. This air fryer is the best stainless steel option with a premium feel and all-in-one capabilities. More than just an air fryer, this 1800-watt powerhouse also functions as a toaster oven with multiple cooking modes like toast, bake, convection broil, grill, and warm. The build quality is excellent, featuring a robust stainless steel body and a non-stick easy-clean interior. Its 0.6 cubic feet capacity lets you toast 6 slices of bread, air fry up to 3 pounds of wings, or bake a 12-inch pizza. With adjustable temperature dials, toast shade selector, and a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, it gives you full control over your cooking process. It also comes with essential accessories like a baking pan, oven rack, and air fry basket. If you're looking for a multi-purpose oven with air frying capabilities and a safe, durable build, the Quisinert is a fantastic non-toxic option backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. This earns its spot as the best compact yet versatile non-toxic air fryer. Don't let its 6-quart size fool you. It packs an impressive range of features into a relatively small footprint. With 6 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, you can make anything from crispy veggies to gooey desserts with ease. Its touchscreen interface is user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily set temperatures between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for precision cooking. The Even Crisp technology delivers that perfect golden texture with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, promoting healthy meals without sacrificing crunch. The sleek stainless steel finish looks elegant on your countertop, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup easy. It's also ETL certified with safety features like overheat protection and auto shutoff. If you're cooking for 2, 6 people and want a stylish, non-toxic, and functional air fryer without taking up too much space, this is an excellent choice. Number 1. Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10. This stands out as the best overall non-toxic air fryer on this list. It's perfect for large households or anyone who enjoys preparing multiple dishes at once. This model features 2 independent 5-quart baskets, letting you cook 2 different foods in 2 different ways at the same time. Whether you want to air fry a batch of fries in one basket and roast chicken in the other, the Smart Finish and Match Cook features allow perfect synchronization or identical settings for both sides. With a 10-quart capacity, it's designed for family-size meals and can easily handle up to 8 pounds of chicken wings or a 6-pound whole chicken with sides. Ninja's dual-zone technology and IQ Boost ensure balanced power and precise cooking across both baskets, making it one of the most efficient options available. You also get 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, giving it wide versatility. Cleaning is hassle-free with dishwasher-safe crisper plates and easy-to-clean baskets. Plus, it cooks with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. If you're looking for high performance, large capacity, and real dual-zone cooking, this Ninja model delivers it all with non-toxic materials and safe coatings. Healthy cooking doesn't have to mean compromising on taste or safety. These top 5 non-toxic air fryers offer a perfect balance of performance, design, and peace of mind, letting you enjoy crispy favorites without the harmful coatings. If you're serious about clean eating and smart kitchen choices, one of these might just be your next best investment. To grab the best deals, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with health-conscious friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.